down for the close combat.
Legendary! Your team destroyed the turret.
Needlework? Not my thing.
Fully exposed!
I'll show you how to dance in midair.
Shut down!
Warriors around, don't be kind of my spit. Fuel to the fire, ain't nobody can stop it. Trouble in my city, but you know I'm across it. Got a 40 on my hip and I'm lamba
I am
sparking.
here.
Slow down these hits, my click is indivisible. I aim you dark, I squeeze, now you invisible. I'm not afraid of getting physical. All these different chemicals are fogging up my visuals. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Yo, we notorious, we ain't no runners. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Yo, we some warriors there to don't run us. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners.
Legendary!
Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners.
Legendary!
From the beat, from the map, from my team, take on every motherfucker in between. Know what I mean? Better myself, better my aim, better my wit, better my name. Killing rappers on my hang, I'm by their chains for the fame. Never thought I would've, now I'm running. You don't wanna follow me, I'm out the fucking front of this. I ran in the drop of the truth, trying to get it what it does. Battling and I ain't never lose. We start up and ruin.
Killing spree!
Not my thing. Just a little birdie passing by.
Monster kill!
Where are you looking?
Killing spree!
Darn it! I went a bit too far.
Cover the map and still ain't know where you can find me. Journey through the mind of an insomniac. I ain't never split, staying ready. Keep an eye out for the fakes. For the snakes, roll the clip and I'ma post some shit. Never go to battle if you plan to lose. Life I gave a chance, I'm not a plan to moves. Middle fingers up, I'm not a fan of rules. Fighting for the right to live in peace and not like animals. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners.
Where are you looking?
Slugs on my gunners.
For the close combat.
Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners.
Darn it!
Slain an enemy!
Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. From my strength, from my beat, from the map, from my team, take on every motherfucker in between. Know what I mean? Better myself, better my aim, better my rep, better my name. Killing rappers on my hang, I'm by their chains for the fame.